Once embraced by world leaders, the ex-president of South Korea, Yoon Suk Yeol, now faces life in prison. He was sentenced this Thursday for his role in imposing martial law on the country in December of 2024. The court found Yoon guilty of leading an insurrection, with the judge saying he damaged democracy in South Korea. He had earlier been found guilty on further charges of abuses of power, falsifying documents, and obstructing justice. The state of martial law only lasted 6 hours because the South Korean National Assembly quickly voted it down and citizens flooded the streets in protest. Facing a huge public outcry, Yoon was later impeached, removed from office and arrested, with prosecutors accusing him of conspiring with military leaders to take over the legislature and to detain his political enemies. Also sentenced was former Defense Minister Kim Yong-yoon, who received 30 years in prison for his role in the insurrection. Former Prime Minister Han Duck-soo was convicted last month for his role in the affair and sentenced to 23 years in prison. The ex-Interior Minister Lee Sang-min was sentenced to 7 years. The disgraced president still has some supporters. Pro-Yoon protesters cried out when the verdict was announced. Yoon escapes the death penalty, which prosecutors have been seeking. Analysts have been expecting this lighter sentence, as Yoon's attempted power grab didn't result in casualties. And execution remains rare in South Korea, which has not carried out the punishment since 1997.